How much will it cost? That is the question that we get asked about 95% of the time. And the answer is, it depends. Chances are that you have a budget in mind and you want to know if that design idea of yours fits that budget. It's like asking, how much does a car cost? Well, it depends. One car might cost you $15,000, while a new sports car might cost you over $200,000. A design and build project is the same. A similar sized kitchen renovation can cost $20,000 or $100,000, depending on several factors such as the design details, the fixtures you choose, the materials and finishing quality, dimensions, existing conditions, and even accessibility to your site. It's all about the details. Just as with any construction project, starting with a detailed planning and design phase is crucial for the desired outcome. With our process, we develop your design and provide you with variations which determine your project's cost. The key to your project's success is having a realistic budget range in mind and starting with a detailed, comprehensive design process. So, how much will it cost? Click on this link to arrange a no-obligation consultation with one of our designers who can provide you with options to work in with your budget.